Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a giveaway. So there will be 2 winners: international, national if you live in the UK, international if you live outside of the UK. So I will be showing you what you will get, and like they will be divided. So this is for international winner. You will get nail stencils if you're completely beginner and you require some like a guidelines or something that can help you create like perfect zigzag lines. So you can use these stencils. Then you're gonna get some plenty of glitters. These glitters can be used for encapsulation. You can use them with gel, you can use them with acrylic, with polygel, anything you want to. You're gonna get a leopard print sticker, then you're gonna get some nail stickers. Again, these can be used on your nail bed directly. Then you're gonna get this circular plate of nail sequence or different stars. There are hearts, there are moons, I think so. Then you're gonna get the butterflies. Then you're also going to get some more sequences because these are bigger in size. So you're gonna get 4 of them. You're gonna get silver, blue, gold and black, and again these can be used with acrylic or with polygel if you want. Then you're gonna get some reflective stars. These are in color purple, and then you're going to get a press on set. Please bear in mind that you're not gonna get any glue with it due to some custom reason. So this kit is for national, so those who live in the UK. You're again gonna get some press on sets from Vanity Bae. You're gonna get again some butterflies, some nail glitters. So these are in the form of the star, but these are in like golden color. You're gonna get sequins, so you're gonna get 3 pots. You're gonna be pink, or fuchsia, golden, red. Then you're gonna get some more glitters. These are reflective ones, so these are like rainbow glitters, so they're gonna make the color of the rainbow. When you're gonna get 3 gel brushes. So about these gel brushes, I did not use them. I only use them for swatches, so please know that I have not used them on nails directly. So you're gonna get this from Glam. You're gonna get this one from Bon Pretty. This is like a nice pink color, which I never used it as I had some duplicates. Then I also have this sequence glitter nail polish from Bon Pretty again. So you're gonna get these 3 gel brushes as well, and then you're gonna get this set of French tips. So these have got different sizes. These are in the square, I think, but you obviously, if you're good at filing or you know how to shape them, you can make any shape. Like you can make them almond, you can make them coffin, you can make them oval, stiletto, anything you would like to. This is it. This is what you'll be getting. The rules are pretty simple. You need to subscribe to my channel. Let me know why you should win in the comment section, and then I will also be checking if you actually subscribed. So please make sure you stay subscribed. You also need to stay active on my channel, and then you'll be also getting a 10% coupon code to use in my Etsy shop to order a custom nail set. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked it. I will see you very soon.